With zipBoard, you can review websites, web apps, e-learning courses, images, videos, and PDF documents. You can share reviews using annotations, markups, and screen recordings, and you can track and report issues. On the left-hand side is the Tasks bar, and here you can see your tasks in a table view or in the Kanban view. If you want to find out more details about a specific task, you can go ahead and click on it. Here you can see details such as comments that were made, such as this one, and the details such as the title, the description. You can reassign it to someone and change the status. And you can see other details like the priority, the due date, the phase, and more. You can also have a feed of comments here at the bottom and a description. And if you're searching for a specific comment, you can also search that in the table view. On the right-hand side is the Filters button. This way you can find a specific task very quickly based on the phase, the file, the screen, who it's assigned to, and much more filters. By clicking on these, I'm narrowing it down to what I'm specifically looking for. Companies that use zipBoard see an overall return on investment within 5 months. zipBoard customers also save an average of 30% time on their digital development. Choose zipBoard and sign up now.